तिळगुळ घ्या गोड गोड बोला. This is a saying in Maharashtra for the festival Makar Sankranti. This means you have to eat these Teel Ladoos and talk sweetly. Hi friends, welcome to Merlyn's Magical Recipes. This being winter season, it is very good to eat Teel, Sesame and Jaggery. And since Sankranti is also coming near, today we will be making Teel Ladoos. Come, let us see the ingredients for this. We require 1/4 kg of Jaggery. This is a special Jaggery which is used for making Teel Ladoos. This is 1/4 kg of Teel, white Teel. This is 1/4 cup of peanuts which is roasted and crushed. 1 tablespoon of pure ghee and half teaspoon of Elaichi powder. Come, we will start making the Teel Ladoos. We have to first fry the Teel. We have to roast it nicely till it becomes light brown. It has to be roasted nicely. We have to do this on slow gas. The Teel should not get burnt. Keep on stirring. The Teel is nicely roasted. See the color. You can off the gas and remove this aside. We have kept that pan again. Now let us melt this jaggery. This jaggery we have to put little, around 1/4 cup of water. And the ghee, we have to put the pure ghee also. Now let the jaggery melt nicely. To keep on stirring so that it does not get stuck down. You can see the jaggery is all melted. You have to keep on stirring because the consistency should become little thick. So you have to keep on stirring on slow gas. See now the thickness of this syrup. You can see the down vessel when you do like this. Another way to check is you have to put little in the water and just check it out. You have to just remove this out. See, it comes out clearly, and when you just hit, it goes in the water. The noise comes. You can see it. So this is about to become. Now let us add the Elaichi powder. Stir it nicely. Let us add the peanut powder. And now we will add the Teel. And keep on stirring. Stir till it gets mixed nicely, everything. Yes, this is done. You can off the gas. You have to just remove little to make it cold before you make the laddus. It has to get little cold, otherwise your hand will get burnt. Let us just cool it little so that we can start making the laddus. We have kept this to become little cold. You can just segregate this. Put little ghee in the hand so that it does not get stuck. See, this way you have to, hot you have to make when it is hot only. All the laddus similarly you have to make. Friends, these Teel laddus are ready for Sankranti. The aroma of the Teel and the Jaggery is just lovely. Do try out this recipe this Sankranti. Until I come up with my next recipe. Bye.